Are you searching for the best electric bike under $1,000? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you 5 amazing e-bikes that combine power, style, and value for money. Whether you're commuting to work or exploring the outdoors, these bikes offer something special without breaking the bank. Let's jump right in. Product 1. NANROBOT Electric Bike. First on the list is the NANROBOT Electric Bike, a sleek and portable ride perfect for city dwellers and travelers alike. Let's talk about what makes this bike special. It's equipped with a 500-watt motor that delivers smooth and steady power. Whether you're climbing small hills or cruising through the streets, this motor won't disappoint. And the 48-volt 10-amp-hour lithium-ion battery? It provides up to 40 miles on a single charge, so you don't have to worry about running out of power on your daily rides. But what really sets the NANROBOT apart is its foldable design. You can easily fold it and store it in tight spaces, like a small apartment or the trunk of your car. It's perfect for commuters who need to combine biking with public transport. This bike also includes a handy LED display to track your speed and battery levels, keeping you informed at all times. With its lightweight frame and simple controls, it's a great choice for both beginners and experienced riders. And all of this comes at just $999, making it an incredible deal for anyone looking for affordability and quality in an e-bike. Product 2. Schwinn Coston Hybrid Electric Bike. Next, we have the Schwinn Coston Hybrid Electric Bike. Schwinn is known for its reliable and stylish bikes, and this model is no exception. The bike features a 250-watt brushless hub motor, delivering a smooth and steady ride, whether you're commuting to work or just enjoying a weekend ride. Paired with a 36-volt integrated battery, you'll get up to 45 miles on a single charge, which is perfect for longer trips. It has a step-through frame design, making it super easy to get on and off, especially for shorter riders or those who prioritize comfort. The built-in LED lights and a rear rack make this bike both stylish and functional. You can carry your groceries or gear with ease. And guess what? You get all of this for just $999. It's an excellent choice for women or anyone who wants a comfortable, stylish e-bike. Product 3. OneCycle Electric Bike for Adults. Now let's talk about the OneCycle Electric Bike for Adults. This one's all about versatility and reliability. The bike features a 350-watt motor, providing plenty of power for daily commutes or light trails. It's paired with a 36-volt 10.4-amp-hour removable battery, which offers up to 40 miles of range. You can charge the battery conveniently at home or work, thanks to its removable design. The aluminum alloy frame ensures durability, while the dual-disc brakes offer excellent stopping power for safety. Plus, it's equipped with Shimano 21 speed gears, giving you more control over your ride whether you're cruising on flat roads or tackling small inclines. And at just $989, it's a fantastic choice for riders who want a budget-friendly e-bike with high-end features. Product 4. Bezior Folding Electric Bike, X500 Pro. Fourth on the list is the Bezior Folding Electric Bike, X500 Pro, a powerful and rugged e-bike designed for adventure lovers. It comes with a 500-watt brushless motor, capable of handling steep hills and rough terrain. The motor's peak power ensures you won't feel stuck even on challenging trails. The bike is powered by a 48-volt 10-amp-hour lithium battery, giving you a range of up to 50 miles, perfect for long rides. What sets this bike apart is its shock-absorbing front fork and fat tires, which provide incredible stability and comfort on bumpy trails or uneven roads. And the folding frame? It's a lifesaver for transporting your bike when space is tight. Priced at around $950, the Bezior X500 Pro is a top pick for adventurers on a budget. Product 5. Let's Camp Electric Bike 26 inches by 4 Fat Tire. Last but certainly not least, we have the Let's Camp Electric Bike. This one's built for those who crave power and performance. The bike boasts a 1,000-watt peak motor, giving it the ability to tackle steep hills and rough trails with ease. The 26-inch fat tires are perfect for sand, snow, or rocky terrain, providing unmatched grip and stability. With a 48-volt 12-amp-hour removable battery, you can ride for up to 50-plus miles. The LCD display helps you keep track of speed, distance, and battery life, ensuring you're always in control. All of this comes at just $999, making it one of the most powerful and versatile e-bikes in this price range. So there you have it. 5 of the best electric bikes under $1,000 for 2025. Whether you need a commuter bike, an adventure ride, or something in between, there's an option here for everyone. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below.